Assalamualaikum. This is me Samra Saptar and welcome back to my channel Samra Saptar Official, and most welcome to another video in the scholarship series. So in this video I'm going to share with you the hostel essentials and all things you need for hostel packing and for study abroad. So in this video mainly my purpose those students who want to study abroad and they will pack their things and so many confusion. So I, as you know, I'm living in hostel and also I'm living in outside of yani outside in country. So I think so that I will guide you in a better way that which thing you should keep and which unnecessary thing you have to avoid. So you will keep your luggage and your packing and your hand carry etc limited. So without wasting time, let's go to the main section. So first of all, take a notebook and pencil so you can write what I will tell you, and make different section as I divided hostel essentials in different sections. So it will be easy for you to pack all the things and you will not miss out any important things. So first one and the important part one of for hostel essential is your documents, and be sure that all the documents that your university and your department's requirement, you have all documents and their photocopies, and be sure you have the scanned pictures also, so you can save it in different devices like PC, your device, your drive or your USB like this. And don't forget to take personal pictures also. Take all the documents extra and make in different sets, and one set for yourself and one set for university, as so on. So first and the important thing, you have to cover all your documents and be sure you have all the photocopies. Okay. Then number two is your medicines. If you are taking some special pills, so you have to take that, and also some regular medicines like paracetamol, Panadol, or some bandage, Caesar, or safety pins like this. So if there is an emergency situation, you can handle them by this medicine kit. Number three is your toiletries, or you can say dormitory things like your toothbrush, paste, shampoo, soap, and also soap container. Your loofah. For boys there is a shaving kit, and for girls you have to take a shower gel. And if you are using or you are used to some special products, so you have to buy from your country, so it will be not any issue or problem when you will be go outside or when you will be go to another country for study, especially for another country. Because now in this video I'm discussing mostly for those students who are want to study abroad, because in that country there is really a different situation from your country, so you have to keep your special products as an extra. And also there is some special private thing for girls, so you have to keep those things also extra. So but in Al Qasim University, as you know, I am studying in Al Qasim University Sharjah, UAE. So the every weekend they will take you in the supermarket and you can buy from there also, and also the market available in our hostel. So if you didn't watch that video, I also recorded video on the what's inside the Al Kasmi University Mart, so you can click on the I button and watch what's inside Al Kasmi University Mart, and you will find all the essential are available in the hostel mart. So third is toiletries or dormitory things. As you know, what's the you need for your shampoo, shower gel, tissue paper, etc. So I wanted to give you a suggestion that you have to make different pouches for every group, like for your band, for your shaving kit, for your shampoo, soap, shower gel special, so you will not miss out anything. It will be more convenient to hold these all things like your hair accessories, your shaving kit, your jewelry kit, or your other accessories. Then fourth is your clothes, so you have to take so many pairs as you want, comfortable clothes that you will be wear as regular, and some casual wear, some gym suit, sports suit, if you wanna to do. And you know, in my university there is hostel, there is available gym tracking suit, and if you wanted to do walking like sports or something, so you have to keep those pair also. So some function dresses or some casual wears, so there is no restriction for your wear what you wanted to wear, because in every country or every student they are showing their culture, so there is no restriction for wearing anything. You have to just wear according to their hostel rules, and be sure that your cloth is not like too much bold. And for also for girls especially, you have to wear abaya, scarf, hijab when you wanted to go outside or you have to go to attend your class or university. So take some different colors abayas, hijab, scarves or hijab cap like this, so it will be more easy for you and comfortable to wear and cover yourself while you wanted to go outside. Then moving to the next, number 5 is your footwear. So in footwear you have to buy some slippers, shoes, sport shoes, your casual wear that you will be wear for some function or you wanted to wear for your classes or you wanted to when you want to go outside, or your sandals, or for girls if they are used to wear heels. So these are the section of footwears. And then next one is your bedding essentials. So in bedding essentials in Al Kasmi University, they will provide you a bed, a pillow, blanket, and side table, also study table, chair, cupboard, and a washroom. I also show you my hostel room tour, so you can watch that video also. I will give a link in the description also, and you can watch I button on the screen. So in bedding essential, you have to they will provide you bed sheet, but you have to take some extra one bed sheet and blanket cover and also your pillow cover. If you wanted to take more, then you take two pairs. So then number 7 is your books related to your course as you are going for study. So don't forget to take your books and some extra notebooks, pencils, your stationery things like highlighters, razor, remover, whitener, and a calculator, stapler. These are some stationery thing that you really need it. So you have to buy, you can buy from there, but you have to buy from there in that currency. So that currency is little bit expensive, so it will be better that you have to buy from your hometown. Then coming next, number 8 is your electronic items, and this one is also most important. So it will be your laptop charger, your mobile and your mobile adapter, also your power bank, your airpods, and most important, your iron box. You have to use iron for pressing your cloth, and if you are used to you drink coffee, tea, and you have to buy electric kettle also, and your headphones. So these are some electronic items. If you have some special other electronic items, you can take that also, but keep in mind your hostel restrictions and rules that they allowed you or no. So I think you have to first go there and then check all things, and then you have to buy these things. Coming next is number 9, and number 9 is, I don't know it's important or no, it's like half and half. So it's as you know, you are going for study abroad, so this is your cultural thing. So you have to keep some cultural thing like your flag, your some special thing that will represent your country, that you are student of this country. So in Al Kasmi University there is a special culture day, so we have to represent our culture. And I also showed this my culture day on my Instagram account. You can watch there my pictures and reels also. So some cultural things, and take some few things that will represent your country. Okay, so finally I discuss all the hostel essential that you require for packing, and I avoided all the unnecessary thing, and I make a long list for this, and I write a script and everything. I think so that I mentioned every important thing. So if I miss out anything, you can add it by yourself. So now I'm discussing some extra thing that you wanted to, if you wanted to keep, it will be okay. If you don't want, then just avoid that those things. So umbrella and cap. First one is like I'm living in Sharjah, UAE. There is so hot, so that's why I have to use umbrella and cap. Then needle and thread, diary, pencil, and novel, some extra books that you are used to and you wanted to love these books or read these books, or your laundry bag, your table lamp, your extension, and a rope, or your charge adapter, or if you wanted to take some plug at one time different switches, you have to buy 3 switch plugs like this. These are some extra things. If you wanted to take, it will be okay. And the most important that I wanted to tell you is, don't forget to take your holy script. Like for us there is Quran Majid, Holy Quran. So you have to take these book, because in European countries this is not available. In Arabian countries this is available because these are Muslim countries. So for me there is no issue. But those students, those they will be go for German or for other European countries, connect with Allah Almighty, that inshallah He will lead you towards success. So try to spend more time tahajjud with Allah Almighty, and it will be not only effect on your life, it will be lead you towards success in your studies, or give respect, take respect. These are some rules to live in hostels, and try to show yourself a good student, a good representative of your country. So these are some things that I really wanted to discuss with you or explain before you. So I think that you like this video, and I describe all the things. If I miss out anything, just keep it in your mind and add it by yourself. And thank you so much for watching this video. Meet you inshallah next video.